One of the most transformative principles of reality, capable of changing our lives completely, is the mirror principle. This profound transformation isn't about employing a particular technique or strategy that necessitates action. This principle revolves around the person you aspire to become. For instance, if your goal is to become a millionaire, you must embody a millionaire internally before it manifests externally. Otherwise, you'll find yourself constantly shifting, believing the problem lies within you. The first lesson in this principle is without internal change, there will be no external change. This is the core of the mirror principle. Mastering this principle means that everything you engage with will prosper. However, this mastery demands confronting your own inner challenges, your reflections and words you might not want to hear. If you are truly ready for significant change, this video is for you. I will also share a vital exercise that I continue to practice. Today, we'll explore this principle and its potential to change your life. Reality mirrors your relationship with yourself and the world, or with reality itself, both your inner and outer worlds. What does this mean? Take the example of becoming a millionaire. If you believe you are incapable of making money, the mirror of reality will confirm that belief. Oh, that's your belief? So be it. Here's more proof that you can't make money. Consequently, life will provide more circumstances that reinforce your belief. Remember this essential point. The external world is a reflection of our internal world. Observing the world around us reveals that many people are increasingly caught up in external chaos, driven by technology, social media, and daily life's demands. Many of us have lost touch with our inner wisdom, the essence we once mastered. Now, let's delve into the 4 keys that will help you shape reality according to your desires. When studying the law of attraction, a common theme is how reality mirrors our actions, and we often try to manipulate this mirror. The first key of the mirror principle is understanding that reality mirrors 2 things: your relationship with yourself and your relationship with the world around you. Simply put, the mirror of reality projects how you view yourself in the world. If you perceive yourself as inadequate, the mirror will reflect that belief. I'm not good enough. I can't achieve this because I'm not good enough. The mirror responds accordingly, providing evidence to support this belief. The mirror of reality responds to the messages we project. It acts like a faithful friend, always validating our beliefs. Rather than trying to directly manipulate the reflection, we must change the image we project in front of the mirror. This is similar to influencing someone. Telling someone, "Don't do that," often results in them doing exactly that. However, motivating and inspiring them by explaining the negative impacts and providing persuasive reasons is more effective. Thus, our goal is to influence our world indirectly. The mirror of reality magnifies what we declare to be true, reflecting our beliefs about ourselves, our identity, and our worldview. It is crucial to remember this key. Now, how do we change this? How can we disrupt this pattern and consciously choose our desired outcome? You need to create your identity and worldview, your paradigm. Here's an example to illustrate creating your identity. First, clarify your long-term desires. Imagine your life in 10 years. What daily activities do you see yourself doing? What makes your life a continuous journey of discovery? Ask yourself, who am I now? What traits and characteristics do I possess while achieving, having, and doing these things? This clarity is crucial. Next, consider your worldview. How do you perceive the world when living this reality? How do you view the world when experiencing all this? Take a moment to bring powerful affirmations to life. Start by creating affirmations about your identity like, "I am worthy. I attract abundance because I embody the magic touch of an alchemist." Then, create affirmations about your vision of the world, such as, "The world conspires in my favor. Everything happens at the right time and according to the divine plan." By repeating these affirmations daily and internalizing them, you will witness an incredible transformation. Your perception of reality and your worldview will begin to shift. Even if your goal seems difficult now, it doesn't mean you won't achieve it tomorrow. Everything requires time, practice, and patience. Respect your time, but don't let fears stop you from achieving greatness. Take a moment to practice this exercise. It can revolutionize your life. Now let's move on to key number 2. The reflection we see in our material world forms with a delay. Why? Because in our inner world, we can instantly create an image by closing our eyes and visualizing our desires. However, in the physical dimension, things take time to manifest due to the dense nature of matter. This brings us to the next key, maintaining belief in your established identity and worldview until your desire manifests. This means you must remain true to the identity and worldview you've created until your goal materializes. Adopt the identity of someone who already is what you want to be. Ask yourself how that person would act and hold on to that identity. People often experience ups and downs when adopting a new identity. They establish a belief and expect immediate results. When results don't appear, their mood and belief decline. When their mood reaches its lowest point, their manifestation reveals itself, but it reflects their previous negative attitude. This creates a cycle of highs and lows. The key is to remain loyal to the identity and worldview you've created, promoting significant changes in your life. Now let's discuss the next key, which I practice daily. The mirror of reality doesn't reflect the nature of your thoughts, but their purified content. For example, if you express dissatisfaction like, "I hate my job, I hate my boss, I hate my bills," the mirror reflects the content, not the hate itself. Consequently, you get more of what you complain about. This is the difference between a scarcity mentality and an abundance mentality, seeing the glass as half full rather than half empty. Focus on what you want and what you already have. To initiate change, start focusing on your current assets and achievements, the beautiful family you have, and the things you desire in life. Think about what you want and what would make your life a journey of discovery. Visualize it, feel it, and focus on it. As you do this, the gap between your current life and desired life begins to close, pushing the boundaries of your comfort zone. That's key number 3. Now, let's move to key number 4, the mirror cycle. Learning to manipulate this cycle will change everything, eliminating uncertainty in your actions. It begins with observation. The typical attitude is observing external reality, feeling a certain way because of it, reinforcing existing beliefs and identity, projecting the same content to the mirror and seeing the same external reality. This creates a vicious cycle. To break this cycle, become aware of your observations and the feelings they generate. Shift your focus from reinforcing negative beliefs to positive or desired outcomes. For example, if you observe a lack of money, focus on the abundance you have, no matter how small. Feel gratitude for it. This gratitude changes your internal state and the content you project to the mirror, transforming your external reality. By consistently practicing these 4 keys, you will see profound changes in your life. The mirror principle involves changing your internal world to reflect your desired reality. It requires patience, practice, and a commitment to transforming your beliefs and attitudes. The rewards are worth the effort as you create a life aligned with your highest aspirations.